Hey everyone, welcome to the Sunday Bloom. But this is a special one because this is day one of the Creative Awakening Challenge. I am so excited to get started. I needed to start this about 5 days ago. Couldn't sleep last night. Anyway, really excited. The reason I'm so excited and the reason this is so important, and there's a link down below if you're just new here and you haven't heard, today is the very first day of a 25-day challenge. And it's all about dialing in a little 20-minute art practice. That's all you need. We're going to do it together over 25 days. And this is the number one thing that can help you so much figure out your art. It raises your energy. We're going to be diving into this for the next 25 days. So I'm going to be diving, as you'll see on the schedule below, on Wednesday for those of you in the Facebook group. And believe me, we have a replay page that's linked below. You'll be able to watch that. But on Wednesday, I'll be going deeper into what I'm talking about now. But I just want to get you started because it's super simple how this works. We have a different way of approaching an art practice, and I want to share that with you. But first, I just want to talk about resistance. The reason it's hard, and again, I'm just touching on this, the reason it's hard, the reason you can't get going sometimes, whether you're a beginner, whatever, it's someone who's been making art a long time, is because you don't know what's going to happen. And we have this in our head that you've got to make a perfect thing. What if we don't like it? And we just set ourselves up to who would want to do that? There's so much pressure, right? So that is one of the resistance, but I'm going to show you the workaround. The other thing that people have questions around is, am I talented enough? There's this lurking doubt in our heads, like maybe I can't do this. I'll go more into it, but please, everyone's an artist. Everyone can do this. This is the only thing I'm absolutely 1000% sure of. I've spent my whole life coaching and making art. And if you are interested, if you're curious, whether you're a new person here, beginner, farther along, just park that, okay? Just park that over there. I'll prove it to you. This challenge will prove it all to you. Also, the other thing that people get in their way is around time. I don't have time to do art. I don't have the time to be an artist. Well, this challenge is going to fix that too, because I'm asking you to spend 20 minutes a day. And oh my God, just don't go on Instagram for 20 minutes. I mean, I spend that much time just rolling around on Instagram. 20 minutes is all we need. I'm going to show you this little approach. It's called the Bloom Practice. And it's a way to make your art without all that resistance. And the reason this works is because all that resistance and all the worry, it's up here. You're thinking and you're in your head. But we want you to make art. This will allow you to make art more from the heart, more from the soul. Your intuition, which is the voice of the soul, is what we're going to be tapping into. All of you, your souls, all of you, whether you know it or not, your soul has a plan for you. It knows what's best for you. It's why you keep coming back to art and you can't let it go. So trust me on this, but we're going to be tapping into that. So this isn't a normal way to make art. This is a different kind of approach, a way in, and it's easy and it's so fun. It's a 5-step process. In this challenge, we're going to be doing the first 3 steps, which are by far the most important. And at the end of the challenge, I'll be going over more and helping you through that. But this first 3 steps are important, and they're the most powerful, and they're simple. Feel is the first step. Open is the second step. And the third step is play. Okay. I'm going to do this little walkthrough. I'm going to close my eyes. I want you to listen to this today. This is how we're going to get in there. So I want you to close your eyes, and I just want you to just take a big breath out, just drop your shoulders, and notice what you're feeling, right? It's not thinking, it's just, what do you feel? What do you feel? Are you excited? Are you happy? Are you melancholy? Whatever it is. And we'll get into how to go into different feelings. But for now, today's just going to be about using the excitement of the day, however you're feeling. For example, like right now, I'm feeling pretty nervous, excited. And I'm just feeling that. Now, the second step, and you have to kind of take a few breaths to just drop into it. Just drop your shoulders, feel that feeling. The second step in this is just open to that feeling. Open, and close your eyes and do this, you guys. Open to the feeling even more. That feeling, what happens is when you feel the feeling, you go out of your head and you drop down into your heart, and that feeling is down deep in you. In fact, visualize almost like a door, because what we want to do is we want to open even more to the feeling. So there's a door down there with the nervous excitement energy. It's down here. For me, it's like over here. I want to reach for that door and I want to open it up and I want to step into it. And it's a little vulnerable, but I want you to open to the feeling even more. Just really feel that. Just feel that energy, that nervousness, this excitement. What happens when you open the door? You're probably getting visuals of like it's a night sky, but it's an expansive feeling and it's located down in the body. So just feel that, open to it more. And the next stage is play. And this is where you open your eyes and you've got that feeling, you've grounded yourself in that feeling, you hold that feeling. And now I want you to just look at those art materials, whatever, and what feels like that feeling, right? If we have different colors, what feels like the feeling? What kind of lines would you make that are like that feeling? So now your North Star is the feeling. You're just going for the feeling. And it could be maybe you collage in a penguin. It doesn't matter what it is. It just has to be like, yeah, that feels right. Like for some of you, it might be like a big brush stroke. For other people, it might be a pencil line, right? Or maybe if you're feeling really small, it's small little dots. Whatever it is, there's no right or wrong. You just respond to the feeling. You're following the feeling. When you play, you're just playing in this. You're just trying things. So as you make a mark, like I'm making these little orange dots here. This is really fun, right? I'm just doing these dots. And after a while, maybe I'll want to try something else. I'll get kind of tired of it. Now, what do I add to this? And maybe I put something else on top of it, and maybe it's not quite right. So then I change the color. So you're basically the North Star you're following, the lighthouse out there is the feeling. What's heading towards the feeling, the marks, the moves, that's what we're following. And you just stay on it. Now you're making art based on down here. And when you're holding that down here, you cannot think about if it's good or not. You cannot think if you're talented or not. You don't have to worry about running out of time, any of that. All you got to do is experience the feeling with the art materials. That's it. And just look at your clock if you want. You got 20 minutes and just play. And play is so beautiful because we just want to stay in play. So if this is a 20-minute practice, maybe it takes you a minute to drop in those first two steps, right? We feel, we open, and then we play. And maybe you take 19 minutes now and just choose colors, make marks, just go crazy on the page. Whatever it feels like to you is perfect. That's the exercise. That's the practice. And you'll notice a couple things. First of all, it's very easy. And second of all, you can have music on. You can actually be talking to people when you're doing this because you're not trying to create something outside of yourself. You've already got the operating system inside of you. And that is what we're going from. So for today, for this very first day and every day, I want you to drop into your practice in this way, into this bloom practice. This will get you making art from inside of you, the felt sense. Not the scaredy cat part of you, not the, resistance part. And it's easy and it's fun. And anything that feels kind of free to you is good. We want you to feel free. All you got to do to win at this is just play around. And sometimes it'll be more on and sometimes you'll be more off. That's okay. You can cover things up, change it around. And at the end of 20 minutes, just stop. You won't believe what starts to happen. You'll get better and better and better at this. And I'll be going over it more on Wednesday. So that's it. That's it. It's a different way in. And don't be surprised if what you make doesn't look like what you normally make because it's coming from a more authentic place. This is the unlock. And you're gonna get really good at this over the coming weeks. That's what we're doing here. We're overcoming resistance. In this approach, you are totally free. And you have to start repositioning this little art practices as the only time in the day when you get to be completely free. You don't have any responsibilities. You don't have to make art for anybody else. You don't have to do anything for anybody. Your soul wants this for you. Your soul is hugging you right now because it's like, finally, Nick has stopped thinking and he's letting me out and express. The soul doesn't grab you and shake you. It sneaks up on you and it's quietly sitting, waiting for you to notice it. This is the possibility, this part of you that is so far often overlooked. This is where the amazing art comes. This is where the careers come from. This is where the joy comes from. And this is where the high frequency, the energy of you stems from. It's an inside job, you guys, and this is what this challenge is all about. We got lots more to unpack, but this is gonna get you going for today. Do me a favor, share this journey on your Instagram, tag us at art2life_world so we can share your stories. If you're in the Facebook group, share that 20-minute thing, right? Let's get going on this. And for those of you, there's a link down below to join the group if you want. I would recommend it, but you can still participate if you're not on Facebook. You can go to that replay page. There's a link down below. All the recordings are gonna be there. This will be recorded there. Everything's gonna be recorded there. We're just gonna be working together for the next 25 days. I'm so excited. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And I'm gonna do mine right now, and I'll be sharing that later today. Okay. Talk to you real soon. Comments, leave them in there. Oh, and don't forget tomorrow, art2life_world, Art2Life Instagram. I'm going live, as I do every week at 10:30 a.m. Pacific time. And I'll be answering more questions there. It's just a check-in, but I'm really excited. We're doing this. It's gonna get better and better and better. All right, you guys, leave a comment, help each other. We're doing it. Okay, thanks.